How are you guys doing today? I'm good. Thank you, thank you for asking. Okay, so my name is Lomuthi, 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 ASMR. Okay, I'm trying to pop the gum, but it's failing. Anyway. Today, I just wanted to share with you guys my COVID mask collection. Now, you guys know this pandemic is no joke. It's no joke. You have to be safe. Mask up every time you're going outdoors. Practice social distancing. Avoid handshakes. Sanitize. Every time you're outdoors, carry a bottle of hand sanitizer. Sanitize frequently. Wash your hands with soap, detergent. When you're coming inside the house, make sure you wash your body again. Wash your clothes frequently. Don't avoid repetitions if you can. Practice good hygiene. Practice. Okay, here I am. Here we go. What I was saying was, make sure you're safe. Make sure you're protecting yourself against this virus. If you have to get a vaccine, get it on your own terms, especially if you're in Africa. I'm not trying to be political, I'm just trying to be honest. All in all, stay safe, because the coronavirus is here to stay. From the look of things, it doesn't look like it's going anywhere anytime soon. So you better be safe, okay? Before I continue, I wanted to show you my COVID mask collection, but before I continue, I just want to pass my condolences to anyone who has lost a family member, a friend, a colleague, an acquaintance from this virus. I have lost family members as well. I have lost friends. I have lost colleagues. Death has been normalized because of this virus. It could be you who's next. It could be me who's next. We never truly know. So let us live in the moment, but let us live cautiously and safely. Because just because the winter is over, it doesn't mean that the virus has disappeared. It is still there, it is still hiding, it is still active, a bit more dormant, but still active. It is just sleeping, you can say it's sleeping, but then still, the hospitals are still running, people are still being, there's still an overflow in hospitals due to this virus. So just because it has not reached you yet, it doesn't mean that it won't. Just because others have recovered, it doesn't mean that you will. So make sure that you play it safe all the time, okay? I don't want to lose you, and I know you don't want to lose me. Let's not lose each other to this virus. We have a lot to live for, okay? Okay. So let me show you. This is the first mask. Okay, this is the mask that I use. This is one of the masks that I really like. I like it so much, it's medical. Every time I wear this mask, I feel safe. And I don't feel so pretty, but I do feel safe. You see that? This helps me, especially when I'm out in public. It helps me practice social distancing. When I cough inside here. When I breathe properly. And I'm good to go. I can wear this with anything at any time. Okay, so I'm removing it. This is a very nice mask. I would really recommend if you get medical masks, but if you can't, you can still get other masks, but practice all the preventative measures that you are taught, especially in hospitals. Okay, my second mask is this one. Unfortunately, the pouch, this button there was a button here, but it's missing. I think because it's old. So anyway, this is how I wear it out. You see that one? If you have a mask like this, I recommend if the button goes off, I recommend if you get another one that's like this, or you don't wear it, because it's gonna give a loophole. Look at that. It's not cool, but it's comfortable and it's comfortable and it's very stylish. As you can see, you can wear it with anything you want or anything you like. Personally, I prefer just putting it on with any attire because it's black, and black goes with everything, almost everything anyway. Like I said, if you want this mask, make sure you put a button right here. My third mask that I like is this one. Okay, my hair, oh my gosh, my hair. Okay, I'm almost done putting it on. Okay, this mask, if you want to look cool in it, I like to wear it with casual attire because it's so, oh man, I can't breathe in here most of the times, but it's effective because it covers you up, but I would suggest that if you want to wear this mask, then wear it for a short period because of the oxygen. It doesn't really, there's not much oxygen to live to be in it when you're in it, when you're breathing. But it is effective because you can't get sick. You can't. It is effective because of the leather here. It's very hard for contaminated oxygen to travel through your nose and your mouth. You cannot breathe through it. You cannot breathe contaminated air. And when you're coughing, you can cough in your mask. I like to wear it when I'm feeling cool and when I wear casual. But I don't wear it most of the times, especially if I want to look more decent. Formal, I don't wear this. Okay. Okay. Fourth mask that I do wear is a scarf. I cannot really call it a mask, but it helps me. Normally, when I'm going out, I just wear it like this, like that, like that, like that. And I'm out the door. This normally I wear it especially if I'm in a dress and at an event, at an occasion, and I just want to look colorful, but at the same time I don't want to look like, you know what I mean, man. But it is your prerogative to pick any color you like. Just make sure that the fabric alone can protect you from airborne diseases like coronavirus when you wear it outdoors. So yeah, this is pretty much my coronavirus protection masks that I use. Normally you have the prerogative to choose whatever mask you want to wear, as long as it sustains you and it protects you from the disease. Thank you for watching my channel. Oh, somebody said, one of my subbies asked me to pop a gum, so okay, we're gonna try that next time. Thank you for watching. Namaste.